Clock time moves forward evenly. Every second passes at the same rate. But human time does not. Some days disappear. Others feel heavy and slow. An hour can feel short one day and long the next, even when nothing obvious changes. This difference is not random, and it is not about being busy or bored. It comes from how the brain records experience. This video explores why clock time and human time are not the same thing. Clock time is mechanical. It measures movement with precision. Seconds advance, minutes accumulate, hours pass regardless of what is happening. Human time works differently. The brain does not experience time as a steady flow. It reconstructs time after events occur. What we feel as time is built from attention, memory, and perception. This is why two identical hours can leave completely different impressions. 1 hour fades without notice. Another feels long, dense, or stretched. The clock does not change. The experience does. Human time is shaped by how much the brain records, not by how long something lasts. When attention is narrow or familiar, fewer details are stored. The brain predicts what comes next and fills in the gaps automatically. Moments pass efficiently, but quietly. When attention is wide or uncertain, the brain records more information. Sensory detail increases. Prediction decreases. The same duration expands in experience. This is why first experiences almost always feel longer. The first walk through a new place. The first time waiting for unfamiliar news. The first day inside an unfamiliar routine. The brain cannot rely on prediction, so it observes everything. Later, when familiarity grows, less attention is required. Details are filtered. Memory becomes thinner. The event takes the same amount of time, but leaves fewer traces behind. Time does not speed up. It becomes compressed in recall. Human time is not measured in seconds. It is measured in memory density. This difference becomes more noticeable across years. Early in life, experiences are frequent, novel, and unpredictable. Memory fills with detail. Time feels wide. As routines repeat, fewer new markers are created. Days become similar. Weeks blur together. Years appear to pass more quickly. The clock remains unchanged. Human time does not. Long periods of repetition collapse in memory. Brief moments of uncertainty stretch outward. Waiting alters time. Novelty expands it. Familiarity compresses it. The brain is not tracking duration. It is tracking change. Even rest is experienced differently. 2 nights can last the same number of hours, yet feel completely different in length and depth. The body moves through time. The brain reconstructs it afterward. Human time exists only after experience has ended. This is why memory shapes time more than motion, why stillness can feel long, why busy periods vanish into blur. Clock time continues evenly, indifferent to experience. Human time bends around perception. They are not the same system. Clock time is mechanical. Human time is biological. One advances steadily. The other shifts with awareness. This difference is not a flaw. It is how experience becomes meaningful. Time does not feel uneven because something is wrong. It feels uneven because the brain was never designed to feel time directly. It was designed to remember. And memory, not seconds, is the clock humans live inside.